Have you ever opened an Excel file and thought, wait, where did my data go? Sheets are missing, rows disappeared, columns vanished. In this video, I'll show you how to unhide anything in Excel. Sheets, rows, columns, and even everything at once. Using a real business file, not dummy data. This file belongs to Fresh Drop Retail Limited. The finance team shared a sales report, but they hid sensitive columns like cost and profit, discontinued product rows, and background sheets like raw data and calculations. Let's fix that. When I open the file, this is what I see. Sales report, summary, but I know more sheets exist. First, let's unhide the hidden sheets. Right-click on any sheet tab at the bottom of Excel. From a menu, click Unhide. You'll see a list of hidden sheets. Here, I can see raw underscore data. I'll select it and click OK. The raw underscore data sheet is now visible. Excel only unhides one sheet at a time, so we'll repeat the process. Right-click on a sheet tab again. Click Unhide. Select Calculations, then click OK. In real business workbooks, sheets are often hidden for good reasons. They may contain complex formulas that users shouldn't edit. They help avoid confusion in large files. Or they protect sensitive or intermediate data. The key thing to remember is this. Hidden does not mean deleted. The data is still there. It's just out of sight. Back on the sales underscore report sheet, notice something unusual. The product list suddenly jumps. When you see gaps like this, it usually means some rows are hidden. To unhide specific rows, select the row numbers just above and just below the gap. Right-click on the selection and choose Unhide. And just like that, the discontinued product row is back. If you're not sure where rows are hidden, there's a faster method. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire sheet. Go to the Home tab, select Format, then choose Hide and Unhide, and click Unhide Rows. This forces Excel to reveal all hidden rows at once. This approach is especially useful in large reports where hidden rows are difficult to spot. Finance hid the cost and profit columns before sharing this file. But as an analyst, I need access to that information. To unhide the columns, select the column letters from E through H. Right-click on the selection and choose Unhide. Cost and profit are now visible again. This is a common situation in shared financial files, and knowing how to quickly unhide columns saves time and avoids unnecessary back and forth. Now let me show you my favorite trick, especially when Excel starts acting strange and you just want everything back. Click the small triangle in the top left corner of the worksheet to select the entire sheet. Go to the Home tab, select Format, then choose Hide and Unhide. Click Unhide Rows, then click Unhide Columns. This instantly restores all visible rows and columns. This is the fastest way to reset visibility in Excel when you're not sure what has been hidden. In this file, we unhid hidden sheets, restored missing rows, revealed hidden columns, and used the Unhide Everything trick. This is exactly what happens in real business Excel files. Nothing is broken, nothing is deleted, it's just hidden. Once you know where to look, Excel becomes predictable again.